Hi guys, welcome to Monetize. It's time to record the new technical analysis video, and today we'll be discussing about the US indices, especially NASDAQ. Since March 2020, NASDAQ has almost gained 2.5 times from the low of 6,600 to the high of 16,800. But now the bulls are under pressure. So let's check on the charts the exact levels to which it seems the market may correct itself. So without wasting much of time, let's hit the charts and know the levels. So let's start the analysis, and as usual we are starting with the highest time frame, which is monthly. On the monthly, we do not have the data prior to Jan 2012 on this platform, and what we'll do, we'll just mark the levels taking the fib extension. I'll start from the lowest available point and the first high, the intermediate high, and connect to the low point of the first cycle. Why this is the highest and the lowest point of the first cycle? Because it ended with a bearish divergence at that time, made a low, and then from this point the new cycle has started. So the new cycle started from 6690. Let me zoom in, and if we check on the charts, if we do a minor adjustment, because it's a monthly chart, so even a small change will impact in a big difference in the value. Let's do one thing, let's switch to weekly and then mark the levels. I think it would be easily visible on the weekly. Okay, so the highest fib extension level available is 1.272, value 16,316. And if I zoom in, we can see the moves after 16316 were not sustainable. It made a couple of attempts to sustain above this level but failed. So this is the scenario on weekly. Also, if you check, we have higher high formation between these two high points, again the next two high points, but we have bearish divergence on the MACD. Getting it? Also a bearish divergence on MACD histogram. So this gives us the bearish idea starting from the weekly time frame. Clearing the lines. Next, I would like to take the trendline tool and join the low points to mark the rising trend line. Yeah, this is the best fit trend line. I've purposely taken the lowest point from this area, not from this one, because it will also give us a trend line, but it would be not the appropriate one. The appropriate one because of the angle. It's very steep. So let's do remove it and consider this one. So we have bearish divergence between the high points and on the MACD, along with the break of rising trend line. You can also say we have a parallel channel, a rising channel, and now the price has broken below the rising channel. If we turn to daily now, On the daily, we got something like a double top. So if you want to check the levels, 16,691 to round off 16,700. So 16,700 has given a double top scenario. Also, it has now broken below this area. So this was around 15,665. So this was a crucial support because it made a double bottom support at this level, which is 15,665, and a new double top at 16,700. So once this support was broken, the price immediately rushed lower and broke this rising trend line. What do we have apart from that? See, if you consider it as equal tops, the double top, we also have bearish divergence on MACD, between these two highs, only on the latest part of the price action. Currently, the histograms are downwards. Even the MACD moving lines are also going down. So as per daily, the situation is still bearish. Moving down to 4 hours. On the 4 hours, we have a bullish, one second, yeah, on the 4 hours we have a low and a new low, the second low, but the MACD lines have started moving upside, so it's a bullish divergence. So what we can expect, from the top to the latest low, it has completed one cycle, and we can expect the price to rebound till 38 to 50% level. So the important area is this one. Also, if you see, it has a lot of price action, so a lot of orders are accumulated in this region. Apart from that, if you want to check the falling trend line, yeah, so falling trend line is not giving, this one at least is not giving much of help. If we do an alternative one, so we may see something like this. Let me clear all the lines. So we may get a break of this first falling trend line, a retest, and then a retest of the next falling trend line, and this area, this retest would coincide with this area, and then a continuation lower. So the price to look forward is $15,833 to 16,000. So this is the area which should bring back the bearish pressure, because the higher time frame is still bearish. So let's remove all the lines, clear up the chart. and switch to daily. Let's go back to weekly ones. So this was the latest cycle. If we mark the Fib retracement from the lowest till highest, and if we check the 23% retracement area, which is the first one, it exactly coincides with the extension Fib extension line at 14,257. So this is again a duplication Fib zone area. So we can expect the correction to the first level is 14,329, and if it continues further, then we may expect till the second one, which is around 12,873. So these are the levels you should pay attention to. 14,329, you can round it off to 14,330, 14,350, and if this level is also broken, then the next level to pay attention is 12,873, and invalidation would be a break above 16,300. Alright guys, thank you, bye bye. So guys, I hope today's video has given you some fair idea about the technical levels on NASDAQ. It will be really helpful to all the traders who are trading actively in the US stock markets. Guys, if you want to check my trading courses, do visit my website www.monetize.in. Show your support and hit the like button. Thank you.